How to view all of your recent sign-ins in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can view all of your recent sign-ins from your Microsoft account in Teams. So if you wonder how many sign-ins have been made out there despite you unknowingly, then it is best to check out the same for your own privacy and better security. So let me show you how you can do this. So for some reason, this is not directly accessible by the Teams interface itself, but rather than it is handled by your Microsoft account. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing is that you click over to your profile picture at the top right corner, and once you'll do this, it will show you your name, your mail address, and just below that your my Microsoft account option. Once you will click onto this, you will be redirected to the browser and you will see a following page. From here you can manage your Microsoft account, and you can also control a lot of settings especially related to privacy and security. So from here you will need to go to the security tab right here, and within the security tab you'll need to click onto this option that is view my sign in activity right here, just within this account security tab. Once you'll click onto this, you will see an interface like this, and from here you can see when and where you have used your account. So you should recognize each of these recent activities. If one looks unfamiliar, you can click it and it will show you more details like the location and the IP address of the device from which this login attempt was made. So as you can see, I just logged in a minute ago and I recognize this, so this is not a case of concern. But if I recognize any suspicious login on my account from any unfamiliar place, then that is a red flag for sure. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.